About to get started right now. I'm gonna remove the front headlights on the Trailblazer. Me and Rafa are gonna do retrofit on them. Just gotta remove a couple things. The grill has a bunch of clips that we gotta remove that, this. Then we can take out the headlights, unplug it, and put this right here, another one back there. Same thing for this side. We got the grill out. It's basically just some clips that are in here. Where else? Right here. Over here, I think. Yeah, right here. These ones. Right here. And then for the headlights, you have to lift this one up. The one's already lifted though. Alright, y'all. We still have this headlight in. The other one came off thanks to my pops. Took it out. But yeah, we're gonna take these out, take them to Rafa's, and he's gonna help me retrofit them. And it got windy out of nowhere. SS owners. JP2. Got the headlights out. Hopefully me and Rafa come up with a good idea on how to do the setup on the light. Not really sure how I want to do it, but we sort of have an idea of what to do. But he's usually the mastermind. He comes up with some pretty good ideas. But yeah, this is it for today. Tomorrow, most likely, we'll open them up and get started on painting them and start cutting the shroud and all that, just to get it ready to get everything installed. done retrofitted Trailblazer lights. Well, for your first time at least, this shit is pretty hard to do. Yeah. So Rafa cut the shroud already. Still fits over the plastic. It looks kind of ugly right here, but once everything's set on,
still gotta paint.
it should look clean. Yeah, we still gotta paint it. Coming out all right. We're just doing the fitting part. See if it starts fitting right. See where we have to cut. Then once everything fits, we're gonna cut it out. So basically, we just sanded it down a little bit. Sanded them down a little bit. So the paint grabs on.
De Tamazula para arriba, de la sierra de Durango. Se internó Ramón Quintana cuando tenía 12 años.
With the high beams. Damn. This fucking light's about to do some damage.
To control demonize any color you want.
You're going all out, huh?
No.
So this is free, right? Or you're gonna charge me?
Hell yeah, I'm gonna charge you.
Oh, fuck.
Todo comenzó allá en los 80s, en tiempos de Rafagar, cuando el señor inició. Apenas contaba con 14 años, pero aprendió del negocio, por eso sobresalió. Para las ventas aquí con él, lo que traigan lo puede vender. Sé que gallos aquí hay por montones, pero como dice el hombre, el dueño del rancho es él. Hay muchos que quisieran igualarlo, pero no cualquiera puede, eso apréndanselo bien. La envidia los convierte en enemigos, por eso hay que andar al tiro a lo que se pueda ofrecer. Tiene un arsenal muy poderoso, de enemigo el chapito es peligroso. Y a todo el hombre le dicen el diablo, no le busquen por las malas, no se pueda aparecer. Cuatro hijos los que son sus herederos, lo acompañan donde quiera, que millones están con él. Imperio Verde se llama la empresa, motas siembran donde quiera, no los van a detener. Para lo legal están los chavalos, y de mota montones sembramos. Si sale algo por debajo del agua, el viejo se pinta solo, aquí los puede atender.
We get a new cover, because these ones are kind of beat up, or maybe re-clear them. Other than that, the lights are basically done. See, like this shit right here is fucked up. But yeah, I'm gonna have to reopen them. Eventually I'm gonna put another projector, add quad halos, an LED strip. Same thing for this side. But yeah, these are Bluetooth controlled, and they change colors. I can make them strobe. This is the fastest speed that they're on right now. You could just leave it on one color, and then on that one color you could either make it a light version of it or a dark version of it. Rafa got down, blacked out the whole headlight. Looks clean. There'll be more better videos coming soon, either on my truck or Rafa's truck, or Quito's G37 or Raymond's Acura. We'll see. Peace.
Bien recuerdo cuando estaba morro, me miraban muy cachorro y se burlaban de él.